Are you getting the unsupported graphics card error when trying to launch Resident Evil Requiem on PC? Does the game refuse to start even though your GPU meets the minimum requirements? This error is usually caused by outdated GPU drivers, integrated GPU being used instead of dedicated GPU, and Windows not fully updated. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open your browser. Search for NVIDIA App Download. Click on NVIDIA App Download. Press Download Now. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Double-click the installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press on Agree and Continue. Click on the Drivers tab. Click on Check for Updates. Now press Download. Wait for the latest driver to be installed. Press Install. Press Yes. Select Express Installation. Press Continue. Now wait for the latest NVIDIA to be installed. First, open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on Search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates. Now wait for your PC to be updated to the latest version. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Locate Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on Download Now. Double-click the media installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition, and then press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Select your download folder. Name the file Windows 11. Press Save. Wait for Windows 11 to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 file. Double-click Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Wait for Windows to update. This might take a while. Press Accept. Select to keep your personal files. Press Install. Wait for Windows 11 to be upgraded to the latest version